Oi, check it out. Look at my lizard. This is a lizard. His name is Biffles. He likes to get up into your sniffles. Well, that's right. Today, I I shaved my face, but I also got my nose hairs. I got in there with the with the little buzzer and I buzzed out my nose hairs. So I don't have like, cause like me and my little brother both just get these like little fucking walrus teeth, fucking like like one nasal hair. Here he is. He's embarrassed for me that I'm sitting here with this lizard making a vlog.